In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your SignNow account. Maybe you've decided to move on to a different service or simply want to clean up your online presence. Whatever the reason, I'll guide you through the process to ensure you can delete your account effortlessly and securely. First, start by logging into your SignNow account. Once you're on your dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially if you haven't visited in a while. This is where you'll begin the process of deleting your account. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see a small icon or avatar labeled My Profile. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, from this menu, select My Account. Be sure you're navigating carefully through these options to avoid any accidental clicks. After you click My Account, you'll be taken to a new page. Here, look for Account Settings and click on it. It might be located in a sidebar or a tab on the current page, so take a moment to scan for the right spot. Once you've arrived at the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete Your Account. It's usually found towards the bottom, so don't hesitate to scroll past various settings options. SignNow takes this step to ensure you don't accidentally delete your account without intending to. When you've located the Delete Your Account option, click on it. This action will prompt a security measure. You'll be asked to enter your password. This step is designed to protect your account from unauthorized deletions, so ensure you have your password handy. Type in your password in the provided field to verify your identity. Once your password has been confirmed, you'll see a final Delete Account button. Click on it to proceed. This is the step where you're making the firm decision to remove your account from SignNow. The platform will most likely confirm one last time that you wish to delete your account permanently. This verification is another safeguard implemented to protect your data. Finally, you'll see another button simply labeled Delete. Make sure you're ready to complete the process before you click it, as this will be the point of no return. Clicking Delete will finalize your request, and your account will be permanently removed from SignNow. By following these steps, you should have successfully deleted your SignNow account. Remember, this process cannot be reversed, so take a moment to ensure you've saved anything you need before confirming deletion. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please consider checking out our other videos for more tech tutorials and advice.